so today I'm going to be dyeing my hair jet black. I know it already looks black, but it's more like a darker brown when you see it in the light and when you see it up close. So today I'm going to be dyeing it dark black, and I'm going to be washing my hair after and flat ironing it to do a length check on my hair as well. So stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting and fun video. So because I have a lot of hair and it's going to take a lot of different sections, I am just going to show you guys the beginning, the middle, and the end of the dye, and then I'll be washing it out to flat iron, and I'll show you guys the color after I flat iron it and how the color turned out. This is what the box looks like. It comes with a protector for your hair. It's called the IGK brand. You could buy this at Sephora, maybe online as well, but I've heard a lot of great things and a lot of good reviews on this. This is the stain removing cleanser. This is the treatment that you put in after you're done washing your hair. It comes with some gloves. I love the black gloves because then I don't have the color all over everywhere. This is the color, and this is the activator, and then it also has all of the pre-directions so you can read through it thoroughly and understand how you're going to be dyeing your hair. And then this is just the color. I picked the Volcanic color. This is the darkest color that I could find. I love to have my hair super dark, so this is going to be fun and interesting, and stay tuned. First step, apply these to your edges and all the places that you normally typically get dyed when you're dyeing your hair. This helps to protect any color from dyeing your actual skin. So we put everything into the bottle, and now it's time to apply the cap and start mixing everything for the 2 to 3 minutes that it suggested. Alright, so I fully shook the bottle and it's looking like it's ready to go. What I'm going to start doing before I start applying the color is sectioning my hair probably into 4 sections and maybe smaller as needed. But for now I'm going to just section it into 4, and we're going to start applying the dye, and we'll walk you guys through the process. So my hair is super dirty right now, so definitely gonna be time to wash my hair after this, but for now we're going to apply the color and then do my washing, conditioning, flat ironing, and everything else. So my hair has been completely dyed. I have applied all the color to my hair. Yes, I have dye everywhere, all over my shirt, all over my neck, everywhere. So it's definitely time to get in the shower and wash this out. I almost used the full bottle. I am gonna just go over some little smaller pieces really fast, and then I'll go ahead and wash, condition, and I will start blow drying and flat ironing my hair after that. And you guys can go ahead and see the finished results. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and see how this looks. Alright, so I just finished washing my dye out, washing my hair, taking a shower, and the color looks like it came out really nicely. So now what I'm going to start doing is applying my Heat Protectant, which is the She Iron Guard, and then I'm going to also be applying a little bit of this Kristen S blow dryer spray as well, and I'll be blow drying with my Revlon blow dryer. This works really good and it's super fast. And then I'll also be utilizing my blow dry brush and some clips while I'm blow drying. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on it. So I applied my Heat Protectant, and now I just applied some Wow around my hair just for the shine and protectant as well. And now we're gonna begin blow drying. I just finished blow drying and all of my hair feels pretty straight as I can get it with the blow dryer. So now I'm going to continue on with straightening my hair. So far I'm starting to see the color a lot and it looks really great. It's starting to pop now. And yeah, go ahead and start with straightening. Finished with flat ironing my hair. The color turned out really nice. I went ahead with that jet black, and I also completely finished straightening and it feels really soft and smooth. The length check is amazing. I probably grew about 3 to 4 inches, maybe even more, since the last time I flat ironed my hair. It's very long, thick, and shiny, super soft. So I'm definitely very happy with the results that I got. My hair is about this long in length at the moment. And yes, I just really love the results, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.